Hello everyone and welcome to this new video. Last time we said we'd fix two issues. The first one is deleting files, the PDF files and the images, and also filling in the book file path and cover image path fields. We also have another problem with the little system we're using. We got inspired by this code to just add the path and organize folders by the month and year of the upload, but this is going to cause a problem down the line. For example, if I'm currently in September, I won't be able to display the files from August because the calculation happens directly when this interface is rendered. Let me show you an example. When I change, instead of having 08, it becomes 07. And also here, when I refresh, as you can see, the cover image isn't showing. And also when we click to display the PDF file, we can't find it. Because for this one, we have the path from 2026 and 08. So we need to change this system or improve it. So the solution for this part, instead of using this system for the display in these routes, the one we used to display it, we're going to fetch the book file path and cover image path and use those instead. That's the solution for that part. Then for insertion, deleting, and modification, we're going to override three functions in the abstract controller. The first one is for creation, persist entity. We're going to fill in the two fields here. For deleting, before removing the entity, we'll delete the files based on the two paths, and same for updating. Before making the change, we'll delete the old files, then apply the update. So that's the idea for this video. The code is a bit long to write, so I'm going to paste what I already prepared and then explain exactly what we did. So I've finished pasting the code. The first thing we did was retrieve the path in the constructor with another parameter, and we got the kernel project dir parameter, which we'll use afterward. Then we created a small helper function here to build the path, get current upload path. Next, we overrode persist entity. We got the entity, added the two paths, the current upload path, and then persisted it. We did the same for updating. We retrieved the old entity instance, checked which fields had been modified, and, don't forget, deleted the old file if there was a change. Same thing for deleting. We checked the path and deleted the files. So that's basically it. Don't worry, I'll push all of this and I'll put the repo link in the description. This was just to explain the idea and how we're going to use these existing functions in EasyAdmin. The resolve file path function is just there to retrieve the path so we can delete the files. After that, I went back into the text field for the file field. Instead of using the path we built earlier, we're now using getBookFilePath. We did the same for the image field, but with a small difference, since here we didn't use a text field. So I added this format value on the image field. For the image field, the template points to CRUD/field/image. But now, with the change we made so it displays properly in HTML, with the data we set, we need to point that template to CRUD/filter/text instead. This way, we'll get roughly the same display as before with the cover thumbnail, and when we click on it, it shows the full image. And don't forget to update the path. Image needs to become plural. Now let's do a quick test. And as you can see, the book displays correctly both the cover and the book file. Let's test deleting. Wait, before we run this test, let's check that the files actually exist. We have the image and the PDF file. Let's delete it. And as you can see, both files have been deleted. Now let's test updating. Let's try modifying the files. I'll use this one now, and for the image, I'll use a different one and we'll update. As you can see, there's only ever one file at a time. Now I'm going to leave you with an exercise for next time. Think it through and try to find a solution. If I just change the title, I'll put 1 and leave the book file and cover as they are, then click Update. As you can see, we have a problem because this field just retrieves an instance of the file. It's not really a file input field, so for it, the field appears empty when we try to update. So I'll let you think about that and see you in the next video.